Hello dear learners, Namaskar. Welcome to my channel Hindi by Native. In today's video we are going to learn about re ki matra. Re is a vowel and we pronounce it as re, like rishi, ritu, rishi, ritu. This matra, as you pronounce r without a sound. First, I want to tell you that re is the only one letter in Hindi. It has two matras and each matra is used in two ways. Now let's talk about what is the difference in the pronunciation of all these matras. And these matras are giving the sound after the letter, like tr, k, truck, drum, drum, grass, grass, brush, brush, grah, grah, mrig, mrig. This only matra is giving the sound before the letter, like church, church, shark, shark. Re vowel is the only one letter in Hindi. It has two matras and each matra is used in two ways. Now let's talk about what is the difference in the pronunciation of all these matras. This matra we use on the letters, they have just little line in the beginning and these letters end up with like a curve at the bottom. This matra we use on the letters, they are written on standing line. This matra we use on top of the letter. This only matra is giving the sound before the letter. And this matra we use below the letter. Now let's read some words with these matras. Truck, truck, train, train, drum, drum, dress, dress, grass, grass, graph, graph, brush, brush, Christmas, Christmas, church, church, shark, shark, पार्क पार्क, चार्ट चार्ट, नर्स नर्स, वृक्ष वृक्ष, ग्रह ग्रह, मृग मृग, मात्र मात्र, गृहिणी grahani. Hope you understood how to pronounce re ki matra. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class.